Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Katie, I'm a mom of 3 and we are in the middle of potty training. So if you've missed day 1 and 2 of potty training, make sure to check out those videos. Today is day 3 and we are gonna hopefully continue the success we've had in the first 3 days. So take a look at the footage of day 3 of potty training. Okay, it's day 3. We had a very early morning. Got Maverick up. Had him go to the bathroom, and now we're just gonna be on him watching, see if he has to go poop. So some signs, he'll be running in tiptoes, trying to hide a little bit. He does seem to be a little reluctant to sit on the toilet, so we might have to get him comfortable with that again. But just stay on him today.
Thank you.
All right, we've been at it this morning. As you can tell by the mess in the background, it's a mess in the house, but that's okay because we're potty training. But I just wanted to take a moment for some mom truths and just be real with you. We're waiting on poop, and honestly, potty training is 90% parents, 10% kids. Yes, they are the ones doing it, but you are putting in so much work in these first few days. And I was thinking about going number 2 is kind of like childbirth. You are waiting for it to happen. You're not exactly sure when it will, but you know it's coming. And after putting in 2 full days of this, I just want the reward of having it in the toilet. So I'm trying not to put a lot of pressure on myself if it doesn't happen the way I want it to, but it is gonna happen. We're just gonna keep moving on, plugging along. We are busy playing trains this morning, still just hanging out at home. I have noticed we're a little more emotional today, he and I, but we've had a few more little tantrums. We needed Lammy to cuddle us, which is normal. They're gonna be a little bit more emotional after these long days, so just hang in there, stay patient. Okay, it's almost 11:30. We've got to go pick up brother from preschool. Normally I would just stay home all day on day 3, but this is real life. Gotta go pick him up from school. So I'm gonna put some shorts on him. It's a 2-minute drive, so I've put in this really cool waterproof liner in his car seat just in case there's an accident. We're gonna pick him up and head right back home. So our first trip going out of the house. These waterproof liners are perfect if you don't want to worry about cleaning your car seat. They have adhesive on them so they stick, they're disposable, and they don't interfere with the seat belts. You can find a link in my description below. Okay, made it home from preschool. It was a quick trip. I was a little nervous, but we did it. That's about the most I'm gonna do for a while, is just quick, short little trips. But I also had a little surprise waiting for me. My good friend dropped off some Starbucks. So if you have a friend who's potty training, keep them in mind, send them words of encouragement. That was really nice of her. Yeah, so now we're just moving on with the rest of our day. He did it. We got poop in the potty. Okay, I'm gonna spare you all the messy details. We were outside playing in the backyard. It happened in an instant. He had one drop, so I raced him to the toilet and he finished in the toilet. So we did the potty dance. We did the potty cheer. We did the high five. We did the jelly beans. We did everything because it's a big deal. So would I say he's potty trained yet? No, this was the first one. Happened on the grass at first, but at least we got one in. Poo-poo in the potty, poo-poo in the potty. We did it, yay! All right, here is our nap time recap. So today, day 3, started off a little bit emotional, a little bit clingy, but I have noticed that he is able to hold his pee for a very long time. If he does start going pee, he stops mid-pee and we get to the toilet and he can finish, so progress. After waiting and waiting and waiting, he did go number 2. It started on the grass, we got him in, and some of it was in the toilet, so I consider that a success. My plan for the rest of the day, keep him without pants. we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing and get through day 3. Okay, nap time is done. We had another dry diaper, so if he keeps this up for a few more days, I might try putting him in with no diaper. It was about a 2-hour nap, so that was pretty good that he was able to hold it that long. We're on our way to go pick up brother from school, so I'm gonna throw on some soft shorts, use our disposable pad that we have in the car, and hopefully get to school and back before we have to go to the bathroom again. We made it 30 minutes with no accident in the car, so awesome. My son has a baseball game today, so I was debating whether I should go or not, but I think since we got the poop out of the way this morning and he's been holding it okay, I'm gonna go. It's real life, this is what we do. So I'm bringing several changes of clothes just in case. I know what the bathrooms are like there, so I think he'll be okay using those bathrooms, but it's real life, so we're gonna give it a shot and see how he does. Okay, we made it through the game. We had one accident, but I came prepared with about 4 pairs of shorts so that we could change him. It actually went okay though. You know, for a 3-hour outing, having one accident wasn't too bad. We're home, we had bath, we ate, and it's time for bed, and we're about to say good night on day 3. Here we are, we made it to the end of day 3. If you're still here with me, hit that like button because it has been a long 3 days, but I'm glad we've made it this far. Potty training is by no means done. Being done in 3 days is a myth. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the start of your journey. 3 days will give you an awesome foundation. Your child will have learned so much. You just keep staying patient and consistent with the things that you have been doing, and you're gonna get there. It'll be great. If you want to know more about some potty training myths as well as the method that I teach, make sure to check out the description below because I've got a whole course that will get you through the entire steps of potty training. In the future, I'm just going to keep, I think for a couple more days, going bare buns. I have a few days off of work still, so that's going to be the plan. I just want him to keep getting closer to the I have to go stage. We are going to start transitioning to wearing elastic waistband shorts because we're going to have to go out in public. But any chance I have at home, it's going to be watching him, keeping some, bathroom checks going on, but staying consistent and staying patient is going to be my game plan. We're not going to tackle night and nap time until I feel like he's ready. We might be close with nap time, but bedtime, that's going to be coming up later, and you can find out all about my method in my course below. So thank you all for watching, and happy potty training because it's potty time.